here's the job, okay? I want you to go through the posts and I want you to like the ones that you like and comment on them. And I don't just want you to do this 1 time or 2 times or even 10 times. This is a job. You need to change your algorithm, be active about it. I want you to do this 20, 30, 40 times plus. I want you to do something for you. I want you to do something that will change maybe your outlook and maybe your positivity, definitely make you more happy, uplifting, positive about what you're looking at in life. And that's something simple. I want you to go to your social media, whatever social media outlet you're using, and I want you to change the algorithm, because one of the top things that I get when I speak in public, in a public setting, I get people coming up to me and saying, man, social media is so toxic. Man, everyone's so angry out there on social. Like, it's true. There are people like that. But your algorithm, the stuff that shows up on your social media consistently, is the stuff that you've been clicking on, watching, and engaging with. And I want you to change it, and let me explain to you how to do it. It's pretty simple. This episode is brought to you by brillianttribe.com. Check us out. I'd love to see you over there. It's lead generation, marketing, building communities, and group coaching or one-on-one. Now let's talk about this, because it's a lot easier than you think, but it takes effort on your part. A lot of you are passive in the way that you go on social and you engage with social. If I turn on my Facebook right now, if you're watching me on YouTube, which I hope you are, I'm looking at my phone and I'm just scrolling through, and I typically just like something, maybe rarely comment, right? That's what people typically do. And they'll scroll through, and if something is piquing their emotions, they might be like, what the hell is this? Or I can't believe that, right? And they'll share it with somebody. Can you believe this? All of that is telling social media what you're interested in and what you would continually want to watch. And so what I want you to do is I want you to be a lot more reflective and active as to what you're actually sharing and loving and engaging with. So I want you to go to your search bar on your phone, or if you look at social media on your computer, and I want on the search bar, I want you to type in the words that you're mostly interested in, the things that you're mostly interested in. Those things like pickleball, gardening, positive vibes, happy, real estate. Maybe that won't be so happy depending on where you're at. But I'm going to test out something right here. I'm going to type in archery. Just type in archery on my phone and see what happens. Now I've got all of these different things that are going to pop up. I see different posts on archery. In fact, I also see groups if I'm on Facebook on archery. If I'm on TikTok, I get all of these different TikTok videos on that specific thing. Same with Instagram, maybe a mix. And now here's the job, okay? I want you to go through the posts, and I want you to like the ones that you like and comment on them. And I don't just want you to do this 1 time or 2 times or even 10 times. This is a job. You need to change your algorithm, be active about it. I want you to do this 20, 30, 40 times plus. And then you're going to come back to your algorithm tomorrow, and then guess what's going to happen? It's going to change. It's going to be different. It's going to be that which you really wanted for a long time. That's how you change your algorithm. Now, if it doesn't change tomorrow, guess what you're going to do again? You're going to go do that same thing again. Pick the same topic, pick a different topic. I could have easily picked books on mine, which actually I may, because I've been getting a lot of Fortnite lately because I keep on clicking on them, and real estate news. So I'm going to go to books. Type in books, go to posts. Maybe I should type in journals too. I mean, I'm just targeted by those on Instagram daily. And you all know why, because I love journals. Right? I love this. So people now, I'm looking at this, books and books and books and books, beyond more books. Anyway, please do this. It's good for you. It's good for your health. It's good for your mental health. I want you to show up better, but I also want you to be engaging with things that are great for you, things that inspire you, things that push you. Have an awesome day out there.